A 28-year-old Muslim man, Aftab Ansari, was found dead in Jharkhand's Damodar River, 3 days after he was allegedly assaulted by members of the Hindu Tiger Force in Ramgarh district. Aftab, who worked at a garment shop, was attacked on 23 July over allegations of exploiting a woman. His wife, Saleha Khatun, named 7 men in her police complaint, accusing them of dragging Aftab out of the shop and assaulting him before handing him to the police. For 2 days, Aftab's family was denied information. On 26 July, they were suddenly told he had escaped custody and that his body was found in the river. His brother alleges it was a murder involving both the mob and the police. The body showed signs of abuse, including shaved head and missing clothes. A post-mortem report is awaited. Following public outcry, the Ramgarh police station in charge and 4 other officers have been suspended. The family is demanding a fair investigation into what they call a planned conspiracy.